Okay, it's July 18th. A construction update. There's Mrs. Ricker's room, just to give you an idea of where I am. And ta-da! No back wall on the building. There's Mrs. Kreit's room. There you see they're laying the block for the academic wing back here. And all the demolition stuff. This video is going to be shaky. Just an FYI, this is not a tornado safe area anymore. They're stripping all the brick off the outside walls of the building before they demo it. There's the exit and entrance doors to the first hallway that goes past the front office. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get through here. Look at all that. Oh my gosh. It's definitely a construction area. So just to give you an idea where I am, there's the graphics lab. I don't know if those doors are open or not. No. No. I'll just leave those closed. So, as you can probably imagine, won't be parking in the back parking lot when school starts. Hey, there's the door that's open. This would be the room, this, I think, Joe's storage area off the Floral Design Lab. There's a lot of open trenches, so I have to watch where I'm going as I'm videotaping. So this is Joe's lab. You can still see the ECE wall over there with all the handprints and everything on it. So massive, such a project, so exciting. This is where the greenhouses used to be, and this is where the new construction of the Career Tech wing is going. Uh-oh, there's a worker out here. See door frames, all the block. I mean, look at all the equipment. I mean, it is huge. As you can hear, the birds are unaffected. There's Joe's new temporary greenhouse for floral. Floral and graphics will be in this building back here. There's another shot of the new Career Tech wing. I think those are door frames. I don't know. Oh, it's going to be so awesome when it's finished. It's really exciting to see the progress. There's the side of floral design, the side of the building. Back there beyond the truck driving academy on the side is the staging area for all the materials and equipment. I don't know if you can see it very well. Maintenance has been working like crazy to get their cleaning done and all that stuff, and the technology team has really been working hard to get things moved, and it's a busy summer at Apollo Career Center, that's for sure. All right, so that's the July 18th update. Have a great weekend.